Students, this is a video about what we're doing next week, the week of May 4th through the 8th with our STEAM projects. Like I had mentioned in my emails, it's okay if you are not in the place where you want to be right now to finish your project. You can either continue your project for the rest of the trimester or you can start something new. So don't worry if you're not finished, okay? You're going to be creating a screencast using either QuickTime Player, if you have a Mac, or you're going to be using WeVideo if you have a Chromebook. There's going to be separate tutorials posted on both of those on the STEAM remote learning page. That's going to show you how to do that. But you're going to, once you have the video in your screencast, you're going to come into here. This is going to be a new page that's posted on the STEAM LCA page, and it's called STEAM Project Share May 4th through the 8th. And you're going to come in here, and when you say record a response, instead of doing a video, you're going to go here and you're going to upload your video. So your video should be in your media or your desktop, and I'm just going to put this video in here for practice. And this is going to be a screencast of you talking about your project. Should be a minute or two, just going through if you have a video that you're going to be showing us, whatever your project is. Sorry, it's trying to start my video. Okay, it's going to be just you showing us your project. It might be walking through your floor plan. It might be showing us your video if you're doing iMovie. If you are doing Scratch or GameStar Mechanic, I'm going to show you what you guys can do in addition to watching you play it. You're also going to be you have a way that you can share the link so that we can play your game, okay? Make sure you already have the tabs open that you need when you're recording your screencast so that we're not watching you kind of bounce around a lot. But I'll talk more about the screencast in the tutorials, okay? And you'll go to Next, and you don't have to do a selfie, but I can. All right, now it's preparing my video. Meanwhile, so if you're in GameStar Mechanic, if you did GameStar Mechanic, you're going to notice that in your game we have this red publish button. Mine's red because I haven't done the quest. In GameStar Mechanic, you have to do all 100% of the quest to make your game publishable. So that's something really important that you're going to want to do so people can try out your game. So once you're at 100%, I'm only at 26%. When you're in the workshop, you're going to be able to publish your puzzle. You just have to make sure that you have played all the levels and beat them all. And then when you go into that red publish button, it's going to turn blue. And then you're going to be able to publish the game. Okay. And then you're going to go back out and there's going to be a button where you can share the game with a link. Okay. So in here, it's still preparing my video. Same thing with if you did Scratch. Okay. So this is a game I made in Scratch. It says this project is not shared. I can share it. I can go to share. And now it says I can just take this link and copy and paste it right into my post. It's still preparing over here. If you're doing floor planner, I would just show us around from 2D and 3D during your screencast and put that into your video. If you're doing iMovie, you can also have the video link available to post as a link. So it's just still finishing up there. When you're doing your video, your screencast, you can talk about anything you want from your project planner. You can talk about things that went well. If you're going to continue working on the project, what you plan on doing. So we had GameStar Mechanic, Floor Planner. What was our other choice? Scratch. Hour of Code. So Hour of Code, I'm not sure, I haven't gone through all of them if they have a shareable link in the end, but it'd be really great if you could open up your projects and try some of them out for us so we can see them. All right, let's see if it's finished. Yeah, okay. So here is where you can add a link. So this was my Scratch video. I could put in here Mrs. Olmsted Scratch project, okay? And in here, I could put that link. And then I can press submit. And now when I'm back in here, you can see that it has one post. Okay. What you're going to do, still kind of playing. What you're going to do is you are going to give feedback to 2 different people as they submit their videos. You can see when someone submits a video that they have like a circle next to their picture. You can see on my How's Your Project Going, the ones that I've been able to make comments on, they kind of have like a little circle by them. It shows like who's made a comment.
I feel
you
like
can
my
see
project is going
I made
really
a comment
well.
there for Ryder.
And I found out.
So if you click on someone and you can see right here that someone made a comment. So when you're going through on people's STEAM projects, please make sure that if someone already has 3 comments that you choose to do someone who does not have any comments yet, okay? If you have any questions about the best way to do your screencast, please just let me know. And I'm looking forward to seeing everybody's projects. But that's really what we're doing next week is you guys are going to be sharing your projects on FlipGrid and then making a comment on 2 people and then just deciding what you want to do for the rest of May, whether you're going to continue with your first project or if you are going to start something new. All right. Thanks, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.